Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the color flash effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, and then go down to Nightclub. Now we're going to scroll down to find the color flash effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip, and then we're going to also elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip. With it being highlighted, we're going to go up to special effects and we can mess with all of these settings: atmosphere, blur, color, strength, glow, range, size, speed, and we can also add keyframes to each one of these. So let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.